Right here we got this TV stand from my TV in my bedroom. We got it delivered from Home Depot. Now we're gonna open it. Right here we brought up all the pieces from the garage right over here. And you can see it matches. That's pretty good. Now we're gonna put it together. Okay, we're putting this together and we're gonna put the glue in and then these pegs right over here. We're not gonna show you every step because that's kind of tedious, but we'll just give you an idea of every few steps. And put some glue there. And some glue right here. These other pegs in here. Okay, we have these screws right here. We're going to put them into here. It says not to use the electric screwdriver. Let me put it in with my hand first. Let me make sure it didn't go on the carpet. I don't even know what we're screwing in because there's nothing inside of it on the bottom. And then it says 2 there and 2 there. We'll be right back for the next step. Here now we're on the next one. This is number 5. We're putting in the screw right here. You can get a close-up of it. Hopefully we don't run out of glue. Right here, you can see we just put the screws on the legs and we add more of those wood pegs right over here. Step number 4. And then you can see right here it locks into these 2 holes right over here. And then you can see if you get a close look right over here, take a look at this. This is pretty cool, this tool right here. Put this in here and then it just swirls around. You just put it like that, put it in like that. And then look at that, you just tighten it and look, the piece comes together. Let me get another one. Cool, I've never seen this before, or saw this before. And then you can see it pulls it closer together. And then you can see these 2 notches, they go into these holes right over here, one here, and one into that one right there. And then we have screws right over here. It seems a little wobbly. Okay, we have a few screws and it says not to use the power driver, but we're going to use it anyway. So I'm going to have this screw right here and we're going to put it in. I'll do it carefully. Okay, now we're using the Allen wrench to put these 2 together. We'll go back and forth so they're even. We skipped this step by accident. I was wondering what was this coming through right here on the instructions right over here. Okay, now we're gonna disassemble it again. Okay, now these go in with these. We have it right here now because we had that piece in there so we couldn't get to it. You might want to come over here, get a better angle. Okay, now we're going to screw it back in with the Allen wrench. Oh, we have this piece here now, so we can only do a half a turn. It might be better to go this way. You can see we have to take this off a 3rd time right now because I have to put this, hold on, right here. This has to go on top of here, but there's no hole. It must be backwards. I didn't have to take that off actually right here. I just had to flip this around with this kind of screw right here. And then you could see right here, there's the hole. I had it inside, so I have to just turn it around. One goes into here. Now we have the cam bolts again. Okay, we're gonna slide these in now. And then this one goes into here. Put this together now. I'll get that in a second. Oh, I need a flashlight, hold on. Okay, now we have the shelf support right over here. You just put it in the notch right over here. One right over here. One in that corner right over here. And one right over here. Okay, and then you can see right here, you just put the shelf in on those two slots. There, check it out. It's all done on that side. I have to do this side now. Where you need the light on? You need it on? Right here. There's this little groove right here. You have to push it in. It goes into the notch. I was wondering why this one wasn't catching. I'll have to redo it. I might have put an extra hole in there by accident. The screw in afterwards, after you put that piece in, it's supposed to catch both sides. And then let me tighten this one up. Okay, we're gonna put this one in here. We're covering them now. Sometimes they're flush, like you don't even see them. Look at that, you almost don't even see it. Look, there's one right over here. Can you find it? It's right there. It's very hard to find it. To make it look really good. I almost put a sticker right over here, and this one doesn't have a Campbell, same as that one. And right there on the stand right over there, and right here with the fireplace.